Hi GCSE Computer Science. This is syllabus statement 1.3.3b. Well, actually, it's the same syllabus statement, but again, I'm going to be having different input devices for each video. But otherwise, it's the same statement pretty much, but yeah. Anyway, 3D scanners. Now, we looked at 2D scanners in the last video. 3D scanners, of course, work a bit differently because in 2D scanners we have X and Y coordinates. In 3D scanners we have X, Y, Z. So we're going to see how these work. So, of course, a 3D scanner scans a solid object and produces a 3D electronic image of it. So this is what one looks like. You might recognize this. I googled this and I found it. Thought it looks quite cool. So 3D scanners take a number of images to produce a digital 3D image. And the scanned images can be used in CAD. So like, what we're going to look at also is 3D printers. And we can see how what you could do is use a 3D scanner to scan an object, such as a TV remote. And then you could use a 3D printer to print that object using computer-aided design. 3D scanners use tomography, which means an object is scanned by the scanner taking multiple pictures, which are slices of the object from different angles, and pieces the slices together to form a 3D object. And this is done by using X-rays, radio waves, gamma rays, or other methods. So we'll look at 3 of these. So we'll look at the array and the type of scanner. So like X-rays, CT scanners use X-rays. MRI scanners use radio waves. And SPECT scanners use gamma rays. These are just examples of what types of scanners use for their rays for taking pictures of the object. So this is what it kind of looks like. So as said earlier, slices are taken and then the image is formed. So I thought this was a pretty good picture showing how these slices work. So we get like these slices, really thin slices, stored on a computer, and then they're pieced together to form 3D images.